Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Mike once again. I just want to share a video with you on another wheel swap and some details on a Datsun 620. I think it come out pretty good, you know. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but I'd like to encourage all you guys out there that want to do customs or just wheel swaps on a Hot Wheels or Matchbox or whatever, to follow what you want to do, okay? Uh, if this is what you want to do, go ahead and do it. Uh, I encourage you guys. It's a lot of fun. Um, I love it. A couple of years ago, I wasn't doing it, and then now I've been doing it for about a year or so, maybe a little bit over a year, and I love it, okay? I kept putting it off for, you know, couple of years. I've been wanting to do something like that, but I never did, and now I'm glad I did. All right, like I said, it's a lot of fun. Takes a lot of practice. You will get better and better each time. Um, I love it. You know, I love showing you guys my work, and I love all the great comments that you guys leave. It's it makes me want to continue, to be honest, and again, guys, if this is something you want to do that you've been thinking about doing, should I, shouldn't I? Go ahead and do it. Just do it, like Nike would say. Just do it. No, seriously though. Go ahead. I mean, now to the wheel swap on this Datsun 620. This is the original, obviously. Got the gray 5 spokes. Not much of any detail. That's all the back is. The rivets. Now I'm going to show you the one I did. Let me know what you guys think. Change the wheels to the chrome red. Now look closely. Look closely. Look at the detail. See the directionals on the bottom? The headlights. You see that? It's hard to see, but it's all buttoned down. And no, I did not go through the back. A lot of people are going through that. They drill right through it. I didn't. You gotta take your time when you're drilling. Come out nice. There's the back tail lights. You see it? The chrome red. See that? It's hard to see, but see the Datsun detailed up in silver? See that? Come out really, really nice. I like it. Just a simple wheel swap in details, guys. That's all there is to it. I'm doing simple wheel swaps because I can't do full-blown customs right now because of the weather and stuff like that. So I hope to get back to it this week because I owe a lot of people some customs, which they all understand and very understandable, and I appreciate it. There, it's all buttoned down, as you can see. Again, take a look at the back. Very, very nice. Right on point. Beautiful. Awesome. But that's it. A simple wheel swap makes a big difference. They're not too much different than, you know, the originals, the gray ones. I don't think the gray ones look good on there. That's just my personal opinion. No details, you know, besides the temples alone, but So, big difference. Like I said, guys, follow what you want to do. No matter what it is in life, to better yourself, go for it. Don't think about it. Just do it. Um, just my little recommendations, and I hope to see, new customizers out there, I hope you guys, move forward with what you're thinking about doing. Because I know there's a lot of guys that, some guys message me, oh, I liked it, or they comment on one of my things or something. Oh, I like to start customizing and doing stuff like that. Well, I'm telling you now, do it. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. Um, it's a hobby. It's something nice to do. Um, you can also make money doing it, if that's what you want to do too. I don't sell all my customs. So, but it's fun, plain and simple. It's fun, and it's endless what you can do. Um, there's a lot of great customizers out there that blow my mind. I mean, I'm all right, but I'm not as good as a lot of guys out there. Uh, for instance, what do you call it? Goobaspad, uh, Luke's Luke's Hot Wheels on Instagram, Goobaspad on Instagram, uh, Mr. Sensitivity on YouTube. Uh, there's a lot of great customizers out there. Just to mention a couple, and they're unbelievable, plain and simple. Uh, they are actually some of the guys that actually inspired me to do what I'm doing, and I love it. I wouldn't change it for anything. It's a great thing to do, and it's a great hobby. Keeps me out of trouble and stuff like that, so that's good. Um, and you get better at it each time. You know, you challenge yourself. I've come a long way since my first custom. If you look at my old videos, you'll see it. Big difference. So I thank a lot of people out there for supporting me, encouraging me to go and do customs. Something I want to do for years, but I never did, and now I finally have. It's been over a year now or so, and I really enjoy it. To me, it relaxes me. It keeps me sane. Even though some of you guys think I'm crazy. But I like it. So I'm gonna end the video pretty much here. Just do it. It's a lot of fun, guys. If one of your friends want to do it, tell them to do it. Just do it. All right, guys. Again, have fun doing what you do. And as always, take care and God bless.